Hey my glamkins, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be testing out Wow Skin Science coconut skincare range which they have recently launched, and I am so excited to try it for you guys because coconut is one of my favorite ingredients. I love to eat coconut, drink coconut, and I have so many products, makeup products which have coconut in them. Also I have mentioned so many of my favorite fragrances with coconut. So yeah, now I'll be having a coconut skincare with me, and I'm so happy that I'll be testing out with you guys itself. So if you guys would like to know more about these products, then guys please continue watching. Okay, so first let me begin by telling you guys, which is very important, that all of the Wow Skin Science products are made in India. They are locally made in India. They have their headquarters in Bangalore. They don't add any harsh chemicals to their products. They are silicone, mineral oil, paraben free. 100% vegan. They are gluten free. You get good variety of product under reasonable price for sure, and we all want all the products made in India, right, after all of this pandemic. The first product which I have with me right here is coconut clarifying micellar water. Comes in this spray bottle like this. Contains 200 ml of the product and it is priced at $349. The second product which I have with me here is coconut hydrating face wash. It comes in this plastic tube. Oops. Oh, it's going to spill. All of their products do not feel cheap, you guys. They feel good quality. Although their prices are very reasonable, but they don't feel cheap for sure. It contains 100 ml of product and it is priced at $299. Again, very affordable. Also, you can get Wow Skin Science product on Nykaa, Amazon, and also from their site. So yeah, it's very easily available. The third product which I have with me is Coconut Super Rich Facial Toner. It helps in refine pores, hydrate and tone skin. Also, this is 100% alcohol free. It is also a spray bottle which I am very excited to try. It contains 200 ml of the product and it is priced at $349. And the last product I have with me is coconut water full cream with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is so important for your skin to make it youthful for long. This product contains 50 ml and it is priced at $599. And this is how the tub looks like, and I love the packaging of this. So you have to press it and the product comes out. I have not removed my makeup, so I thought of removing my makeup using these products and sharing you my thoughts. So first of all, let me turn my hair back. So first of all, I'm taking coconut clarifying micellar water. By the way, if I haven't mentioned, it's infused with coconut water, witch hazel, green tea, cucumber water. They have also mentioned that how to use this product. Saturate a cotton pad with micellar water, swipe it all over your face to remove makeup and grime. Repeat till no residual dirt or makeup is left. To remove eye makeup, press the iPad on eyelid and hold for few seconds and then gently wipe down the makeup. Please do a patch test before you use any skincare product because everyone's skin is different. A lot of people are allergic to a lot of other ingredients. And saturate the cotton pad. Oh my god, it smells so good. If you love the smell of coconut, you're gonna fall in love with this. Wow, it's actually wow. It has removed quite a lot of makeup, you guys. Okay, so my makeup is all off. So far I like this micellar water. I love the fragrance in this. Now moving on to the second product. It's called Hydrating Face Wash. It contains coconut water, aloe leaf extract, vitamin B5 and vitamin E. I'm gonna take this much. This is the consistency. It's a little runny. I have water here, so I'll be washing it in front of you only. Okay, it lathers a lot, which I like. If you are dry skin or combination skin, I think this face wash is really good. Also, the smell exactly like the micellar water. Just massaging, because if any of the makeup is left, it will be removed with the face wash. I usually like to wash my neck as well, but just because I am sitting up here, I can't do that. So I'm done washing my face, and I love this face wash, you guys, because you don't need a lot and it lathers up so much. and yeah, I like the feel of it for sure. It's really nice. Okay, so now coming on to the third step, which is facial toner. It's their coconut super rich facial toner. It helps in refining pores, hydrate your skin and tone skin. Toners generally don't hydrate much, and I really look for hydrating toner. I don't like my toners having alcohol, and this is 100% alcohol free, which makes it so good, you guys. It contains coconut water, cucumber fruit water, green tea and witch hazel extract. It comes in this spray bottle again, and they have also mentioned that how to use this toner. Cleanse your skin, spray the toner to your face and wait for 30 seconds, then use a cotton pad to wipe away. Start from the center of your face and then your cheeks and forehead. Alternatively, you can soak cotton pad with the toner, dab it all over your face and neck, then wipe gently. Wait for a minute before you apply your face serum or a moisturizer. I'm going to shake it a little bit. As I mentioned, please do a patch test before using any of these skincare products. I love the smell. I love the smell, you guys. It smells so good. So we have to wait for 30 seconds. It is a little bit tingling. So I think because of the green tea and witch hazel. So I'm taking a cotton pad. So not much of the makeup has come off, so that means micellar water and face wash did a good job of removing my makeup. Now locking this hydration with my last and final step using coconut water full cream with hyaluronic acid, and I love the packaging because look at this, you guys. I've never used anything like this before. Also, they have mentioned how to use this as well onto the back of the packaging. Take a small size amount of cream, dot it all over your cleansed face and neck. Massage using fingers with upward stroking from inside towards the hairline and from neck to jaw upwards for best result, and use twice daily. I also love the smell in this. It's not just coconut. I think there is a little bit of sweetness in this cream as well. Do not take amount of moisturizer I have taken. It's a thick moisturizer. It's not sticky or something, but it's a little bit heavy duty. It's not gel based. As your night cream, it's going to work so good. And if you're very dry skin or combination skin, you're gonna love this moisturizer for sure. That's everything about this coconut skincare range, you guys. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you have used this range, please let me know in the comment section how it worked out for you, because I love it on the first go. I'll be mentioning at the end of the video that how it went after using it multiple times, but for first time I love it. I see myself using the toner and the moisturizer the most. I love everything, but these two products definitely will be repurchased by me. I also love the face wash. It's very light, mild and gentle. All in all, I love the range. I love coconut, so if you're like me who loves coconut, you will love this range for sure. Also, their products are very reasonably priced. They're easily available. Please check the description box for the links to this products if you want to buy it. That's everything about this range, you guys. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any queries, let me know. I will reply you back, and that's everything for this video, you guys. Please give it a big thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you very soon in my next one.